We are in the U-boat.
In the U-boat.
In the U-boat.
In the U-boat. Look, over there. Look, another U-boat.
Do we fire the U-boat torpedoes?
Nein, that is our U-boat. We wave to the other U-boat, boys. Wave guten Tag to the U-boat, boys.
Captain Hines, I seen another boat, and she's not a U-boat. What do we do?
Fritz, deploy the U-boat torpedoes.
I am firing the U-boat torpedoes.
We are in the U-boat.
Ah, c'est dommage. I hope that there are not any U-boats out here on the Atlantic today.
Why, there could never be a U-boat out in the water today.
I know, chaps. But wait, what's that out on the horizon? Peeking its little head out of the water?
It's a U-boat.
Success! A confirmed hit with the U-boat torpedoes.
Good. We successfully deploy U-boat supremacy. Goodbye, RMS Lusitania.
I love being in the U-boat fleet.
We
are in the U-boat.
The U-boat?
The U-boat?
The me-boat?
The U-boat!
We are in the U-boat and we love it very much.